Good morning. That's right. Allentown Toy Show. Empty spots. Empty spots. We're here at 6:30. All right, good morning. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have the first row being set up of Allentown. This is early bird time. Dealers and early birds show up at the same time. Thank you. So dealers show up. We got some gorgeous toys here. Great looking Packard. Hey Joe, Uncle Joe. Bob Brady. Hey Bob.
Good morning.
Good morning. Barbara Freeman, Tin Toy Works. Their display is magnificent. And then we got Dick and Patty Swoop. Here's one of the first dealers. Look at this. Look at their display. And more to come.
Your boy.
Yeah, I'm thinking that. Buddy Lou.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh,